officers concerned. They have to pull up the chief secretary. They have to pull up the DGP. What is the initial order? If you go by the first order of the NGT, stopping or banning all the coal mining activities which are considered illegal due to the fact that they were not inconsistent with the various statutory laws governing coal mining activities, in sync with the mandate of the various laws, including MMDR Act and environmental laws. Now, the onus of responsibility of implementing the order of any court, or for that matter, NGT, is vested first with the Chief Secretary and the DGP. Let us be very, very clear. And this whole thing is vested upon the government of the day, because if they are not taking cognizance of these illegalities, I have reasons to believe that there is a complicity. Allowing illegalities to happen. For whose interest? Are they not paid? Is there anybody else who will take this responsibility? Is there any alternative authority which is provided with this responsibility? No. So therefore, whose job it is? Therefore, you see, there is a complicity with even Coal India also. What is the duration of time needed for taking all the measures to ensure that all those coal which were declared in their inventory at the time of submitting before the Honorable Supreme Court, which is reflected in the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court dated 3rd July 2019. It is very clear. The responsibility is vested upon few authorities, including Coal India and the state government. How does it take so much of time? 2019, this is 2025. How does it take so much of time for this coal to be, all those, whatever were still declared as per the inventory submitted? Rather, it is a revised inventory submitted by the state government. Earlier inventory was projecting that the subsequent balance of coal which were yet to be transported with the relevant permission of the government were around 2 lakh metric ton. Then suddenly there was an inventory which was reflective of highly inflated stock of already extracted coal. So there is the time when NGT2 should have taken cognizance of this inflated. How can something which were around 2 lakh metric ton suddenly become 30 plus lakhs? Okay, now if they have accepted that inventory, does it take 6 years for this to be transported? Does it take 6 years? That means this whole process is being delayed in order to ensure that under the so-called transportation of these extracted coal, which were declared before the Honorable Supreme Court through their inventory, revised inventory, it is being weaponized to facilitate illegal coal mining. If you do not believe, you go and see the coal. 2019's coal and now. How will the coal, see, we all know chemistry, we all know physics. What happens when a particularly extracted coal is dumped in a place, in the open, subjected to all, onslaught of rain, sun, everything? What happens? How will be the physical appearance? How will be the physical appearance of the coal on the depots? Go and see for yourself and have your own interpretation. And that will be reflective of, how sincere everyone is. Let me be very blunt. Why? Is it not possible for the officers to determine whether the coal is new, freshly extracted or not? Is it not possible? They are geologists. They come with all the background of knowledge, based on whatever they have studied, based on which they are qualified to be the officers in relevant departments. So therefore, friends, it is a serious issue. Today, our Garhwal Autonomous District Council is not able to pay salaries for the employees. That means the complete functioning of the Honorable GHADC is as bad as crippled. That means we talk about the importance of the 6th schedule, the provision of the 6th schedule of the Constitution of India, vis-a-vis the overall rights vested upon our people belonging to scheduled tribe, particularly our indigenous tribes. So what is going to happen if this whole, I must say, insensitivity of the government results in complete crippling of this important institution which is mandated by the constitution to protect the interests of our indigenous people and to protect the land that our people have inherited. So many things are there which has its own collateral adverse, which becomes victim due to the collateral effect.